We've got our basket, got it lined, added a base of potting soil. I need to add a little water. Make sure your potting soil is plenty moist. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll just fill the bag up with water and add it right to the bag of potting soil, but I have such a big bag this time that I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it in the pot or in the basket. So here we've got our potting soil all ready to go for our plants. Now we can start adding our plants. And I want to get the rubber tree plant in the middle first. And they come out of the pots, and as you can see, there's roots growing there and everything. We want to kind of loosen that soil around those plants, because those roots will then get right down into that potting soil that we've put in the base. We'll add the China doll next. And if they don't like coming out of the pot, now this one is very root bound, but it will still do a very nice job in this basket if we just kind of loosen those roots up a little bit and press it down in there. One of the most important things is getting it in there really tight, in your basket really tight. And then we'll add our variegated plant and loosen it a little bit so that it will fit in right next to that rubber tree and give us a nice looking back to our plant basket.